Hi guys, in this video we are going to solve the common error which occurs after installing the OBS Studio in Raspberry Pi. So let's get started. First of all, let me connect my Raspberry Pi. Okay, everything set. So first of all, I will show you the error. Here is the error which comes after we installing the OBS Studio. So I'll show you how to fix this. First of all, open the terminal and type Nisa GL version override is equal to 3.3 OBS. This will solve the error which occurs after installing the OBS Studio, and it will automatically launch open the OBS Studio. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and like this video.